Join me as I dive deep into the mechanics and try to figure out what really makes a generator tick. Generators are a crucial part of our daily lives, providing power to our homes, offices, and industries. We use them to keep our lights on, our computers running, and our refrigerators cooling. But have you ever stopped to think about how they actually work? I mean, it's not like magic, right? There's got to be something behind the scenes that makes them tick. Most people think generators are pretty simple devices. You pour in some gasoline, flip a switch, and voila, you've got power. But the truth is, generators are complex machines that involve a lot of intricate processes. They're not just about pouring in fuel and expecting it to work. There's so much more to it than that. For example, have you ever heard of the concept of electromagnetic induction? It's the principle behind how generators produce electricity. But do you know how it actually works? I didn't think so. It's not something you learn in high school physics class, that's for sure. Another common misconception is that generators are maintenance-free. People think that once you've bought a generator, you can just use it forever without ever having to touch it again. But that's not true. Generators require regular maintenance to ensure they're running efficiently and safely. Otherwise, you could end up with a device that's not only inefficient but also dangerous. Let's start by talking about the engine. The engine is the heart of the generator, providing the mechanical energy needed to produce electricity. It's usually a diesel or gasoline engine, and it's what drives the alternator to generate power. The engine is what makes the generator portable and flexible, allowing you to take it wherever you need to go. The alternator is the component that actually produces the electricity. It's a crucial part of the generator, and it's what converts the mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy. The alternator is made up of a magnetic field and a coil, which work together to induce an electrical current. The fuel system is another critical component of the generator. It's what provides the engine with the fuel it needs to run. The fuel system includes the fuel tank, fuel pump, and fuel injectors. It's what ensures that the engine gets the right amount of fuel at the right time, allowing it to run efficiently and effectively. But here's the surprising thing about generators. Their efficiency can be significantly affected by their maintenance and fuel quality. If you don't regularly maintain your generator, it can start to degrade over time, producing less power and consuming more fuel. And if you use low-quality fuel, it can damage the engine and other components, leading to costly repairs. In fact, studies have shown that a well-maintained generator can be up to 20% more efficient than a poorly maintained one. That's a significant difference, especially if you're using your generator on a regular basis. And when it comes to fuel quality, using high-quality fuel can increase the lifespan of your generator and reduce the risk of breakdowns. So what does this mean for you? It means that understanding how your generator works is crucial for getting the most out of it. By performing regular maintenance and using high-quality fuel, you can ensure that your generator is running efficiently and safely. And that's what it's all about, right? Getting the power you need without breaking the bank. So there you have it, folks. That's what makes a generator really tick. It's not just about pouring in fuel and expecting it to work. It's about understanding the complex processes that go on behind the scenes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below on your experiences with generators. Have you ever had any issues with your generator? How did you fix it? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about energy solutions, be sure to check out our other videos on the topic. See you in the next one.